What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Patreon request from Emmanuel, the announcer from Smash. Don't know this character at all, so let's give this a go. I'm on landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with his sunglasses, maybe. No, his eyebrow. Start with his eyebrow. So we curve it around like that, right? And then it comes back and then back down. Eyebrow on the other side, up, down. This one goes underneath his hair, so we can't really see it as much. Right, so he's got sunglasses on, right? So coming out from this eyebrow here, there's a straight line going that way, and then it curves around underneath, like so. And then lines that go over his nose, like that. And then here, and then we go down around under like so. His nose is just like a letter L sort of going that way. And then his mouth, big smiling mouth here, curves around, back underneath, and then bumps around here. So we can see teeth inside on that side, and then teeth here. Like so, and then color that in black. Like that. Okay, so what we can see of his face, right? We can just see his brow there, and then his cheek sort of just comes out down to his chin. And then his chin's pretty pointy, and it goes up this way towards like his hair. So his hair, we just got like a big sideburn here, and it curves up, comes in, steps up, and then his hair curves. He's got like big Elvis hair. Step down, goes back up, and then we go down, up, down, like a lightning sort of rod sort of thing. And this goes up and down there. And we got two spikes that stick out the back. And then this goes down like that, the back of his head. And his ear just kind of curves around here. So he has a big bow tie sort of in the middle of his chest, right? So circle, and then this big sort of round bumping line like this. On both sides. Then his collar comes up from here. Yeah, like so, and it goes around the back of his neck. And I'd say like the back of his neck is like here. Front of his neck, put it here. It's all just dark black inside there, so you can't really see much. And then the collar comes out this side. So imagine that would keep going that way. Then shirt comes down there, comes out here, and then his other side of his body there like that. Then we have an arm on this side, sticks out like so. And then he's like doing a thumbs up like to himself. So goes like he's like pointing to himself with his thumb. He got his elbow here. This comes around like so. And then his arm comes down here, and then it goes back up to his shoulder, just in there. So his hand, so his wrist comes out of his sleeve, and then we have 4 knuckles on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these come down to fingers. Just come down this way, in, and you have 4 knuckles on the bottom. 2, 3, and a 4th. And then just the bottom of his hand bumping, sort of shaped like that. And then each of these will be a finger, so they curve this way. And then his little finger always curves in at the back, like that. And then his wrist goes down into his sleeve. And then the thumb is just like sticking out, pointing towards him. So we'll go like around like that. And that's it. That's how to draw the announcer from Smash. Hope it was helpful. Anyone else with a Patreon request, like of things that I don't normally draw like this, head over to Patreon and you can sign up and I'll get right on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.